Does your RCCB trip specifically at night? This video explores the relationship between nighttime humidity, earth leakage, and your home's electrical safety. If your RCCB trips at night, it is often due to hidden earth leakage. Understanding why this happens is the first step toward a solution. An RCCB is designed to protect you from electric shocks. It will automatically trip if it detects a leakage current exceeding 30 milliamperes. Nighttime brings temperature drops, leading to condensation. This moisture can build up on outdoor sockets, creating a path for earth leakage. Appliances also cycle at night. Refrigerators run defrost heaters, and various devices switch power modes, which can contribute to circuit instability. Your devices might each leak a small amount of current. While individually harmless, these cumulative leaks can exceed the 30 milliampere limit. Another potential issue is neutral earth mixing. Temperature-induced expansion can cause loose wires to touch, triggering a false imbalance. Standard-type ACR-CCBs may struggle with modern electronics. Upgrading to a Type A or Type B unit can better handle the characteristics of modern devices. To troubleshoot, first isolate your loads. Unplug all appliances, reset the RCCB, and then plug devices back in one by one to identify the culprit. Perform a physical inspection for moisture or damage. Use a meter to check for idle leakage. You should investigate further if readings exceed 10 milliamperes. Never bypass your RCCB. It is a critical safety device that prevents fires and shocks. If you cannot identify the issue, call a licensed electrician. Master your home technology by keeping these safety steps in mind. Thank you for watching Flirting with Technology.